You can charge $100 to $1,000 for YouTube promotion services. Manage YouTube channel or get views on any YouTube video via automated campaigns. Set campaigns. TubePal will complete order for you on automation. Half price. Offer service at half the price of your competitors. Get more orders, garner good reviews, and scale really fast for high profits. No delay. Handle 1,000s of orders without any tiredness or delay. No limits. Get TubePal at a low one-time price today. Create automated traffic campaign for multiple clients. No limits. Fulfill unlimited orders with commercial license. Gig on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer is a smart idea. Imagine new income source and opportunity with TubePal commercial license. Get TubePal for just a one-time payment. TubePal at its lowest one-time price account forever. May expire once you leave this page. Use 15% off discount coupon. Last chance. Get TubePal now. No download or installation required. Special bonus for fast action takers. Available only till the timer hits 0. Powerful Camtasia-like powerful video editor with drag and drop multiple timeline editing. Watch how easily you can edit and create beautiful videos in minutes. Incredible jam-packed features. Compose and dump. Manage projects. Import media files to your project. Drag and dump. Drop multiple files to project in one click. Add multiple clips to multiple timeline. Select and drop multiple files to various timelines. For easy and dump. Clean editing. Keep videos, audios, images in a separate timeline. Compose. Title subtitle. Adding titles to your video has never been easier. Use one of 50 templates, or make your own in few clicks inside Title Editor. Edit video. Easily trim, slice, cut, or join multiple videos and audio clips on timelines to find those perfect moments. Works on all platforms. Download and dump. Start editing on your computer now. Works smoothly on Windows, Mac, and even Linux OS. Unlimited. Timeline tracks. Add as many timeline layers as you need for watermarks, background videos, audio tracks, and more. Add media to the timeline. Select and dump. Drop one or multiple files to timeline in one click. Easily split your clip from anywhere. Cut and remove unwanted parts in each clip in one click. Keep relevant parts, join them and compose a perfect video. Add background music to the timeline. Add background music to the timeline, play, and sync it with other clips on multiple timelines for the best output. Video effects. Using our video effects engine, remove the background from your video, invert the colors, adjust brightness, and more. Render and dump. Export video. Select the desired format, quality, and dump. Click the export button to get a beautiful output video within seconds. Ultra-fast rendering technology. 3D animations. Render beautiful 3D animated titles and effects, such as snow, lens flares, or flying text. Simple user interface. No tech, design, or editing skills required. This is the easiest and friendliest video editing software ever. Give it a try and see for yourself. Preview your clips. Play each video or audio on the timeline to preview and plan to edit. Adjust the clip length by simply dragging it. Click and drag the clip horizontally to control each clip length. Add audio effects. Apply fade in fade out effect to the audio to enhance final video output. Also, to make audio editing simple, audio files will be visible as waveforms. Slow motion and dump. Time effects. Control the power of time, reversing, slowing down, and speeding up video. Use a preset or animate the playback speed and direction. Animation and dump. Keyframes. Using our powerful animation framework, you can fade, slide, bounce, and animate anything in your video project. Works in 70+ languages. Compose a video in your language now. Simply change the language inside the app, and it can be translated online with Launchpad. Works smoothly on Windows, Mac, and even Linux OS. Important disclaimer: this powerful video editor is available online completely free. We spent months finding this perfect tool for our clients. Thus we are not charging you for this app. We are giving it as a suggestion with TubePal software. Never before features. Never again offer. Fresh artificial intelligence technology. Game changer software. Warning: TubePal gives you the power to turn failing YouTube channel to successful YouTube brand on complete automation with just one click, and like any other software. This is essential software for video marketers. What's more? The price is low one time. The price is unbeatable. Our early bird offer is exclusively available to you for the next 7 days. After this week, TubePal will turn to monthly recurring, and this special low one-time offer page will vanish forever. Turning monthly recurring soon. You cannot afford to wait. This collection of 46 premium features puts TubePal in an entire elite traffic class of its own. Unlock maximum potential of TubePal now. We have designed TubePal keeping in mind your needs. We are confident that it will help you make the profit of your dreams. You have 30 days to check this sophisticated technology out and use it to your advantage. If you would still like to go back to your comfort zone, the platforms that charge substantially more and provide less, we will totally understand that too. Your investment is secure with our 30-day full refund policy. Simply contact us and receive your money back instantly. Tailor-made licenses for your unique needs. Get TubePal for just a one-time payment. TubePal at its lowest one-time price, account forever. May expire once you leave this page. Use 15% off discount coupon. Last chance. Standard. Personal standard. Set up auto reply on comments on YouTube videos. Keyword-based reply. Generic reply. Delete offensive comments. Reply the same comment multiple times. Complete reporting. Comment reply template. Set up auto comment YouTube videos. Like comment videos searching by keywords. Like comment videos searching by channels. Daily max activity settings. Campaign expiry settings. Complete reporting. Like comment template. Set up auto channel subscription on TubePal. Subscribe channel searching by keywords and AMP. Publish date. Daily max activity settings. Campaign expiry settings. Complete reporting. Unsubscribe subscribed channels. Set up video link wheel. Open and AMP. Closed wheel campaign. Multiple money videos. Complete reporting. Track your video ranking on YouTube. YouTube rank based on keyword. Track your or others' videos. Day-wise rank report. Leverage full analytics of videos and AMP. Channels. Views, comments and AMP. Shares. Estimated minutes watched. Average view duration. Subscriber versus unsubscribe. Likes versus dislikes. Video added versus removed. Device type report. Operating system report. Annotation impressions. Annotation clicks and closes impressions. Annotation clicks and closes. Audience retention. TubePal search engine. Find best videos for traffic. Video search engine. Playlist search engine. Channel search engine. Keyword finder. Comes with complete video and AMP. Playlist manager. Channel video and AMP. Playlist listing. Edit video details. Add new playlist. Add on video to a playlist or add by video search. Remove video from a playlist. Delete playlist. Multilingual support. Premium support. 30 days, no risk money back commitment. Regular monthly updates. Complete step-by-step video training and tutorials. Newbie friendly and AMP. Fully cloud-based software. Commercial rights. Automate clients' YouTube channel growth. Handle IT inside your TubePal dashboard. Millions of businesses got hit by Corona crisis, need easy traffic solution to grow their business. Solve their traffic need and damp. Charge them high monthly recurring fee. Make big extra profits from little extra investment using Game Changer, advanced untapped YouTube automation software. For personal use only. Normal price, $997 here. Launch special, one time. $47. Only. Buy now. No download or installation required.